know if that's better. Hi, everyone. It's Marcy with my Pretty Posh Princess. I'm going to give it just a couple seconds, let a couple people pop on. I did not give any warning that I was going to be doing a live. There was no warning because this shipment just arrived at our door less than 10 minutes ago. This was just dropped off. I had no idea it was coming today. I'm so excited. So normally I would already have all of this on the website ready to shop as soon as we're done. I don't. So you have to give me like 45 minutes after this live ends to find these things. But I am so excited that I couldn't wait. So I had to show you guys immediately. And I've got this whole table. And the most exciting thing is at the very end. So don't hop off. Okay, so new things coming today. Milk jugs. And lots of them. So adorable. Restock on these. Restock on these. I think there's 20 of each of them. So amazing. Obviously, you guys love these. These are the 19 millimeter leopard. Not messing around. There's 1,000 of them. Just came in today. We go through a lot of those. So you guys love them. We do too. More restock on the gray in 15. Regular in 15. The terrazzo in white. Brand new for us. I don't know if you've seen them anywhere else. Are these, hey Christian, will you come open this bag for me? Yeah. I'm gonna have my son come help me. Because I literally haven't done anything with these. I just took them out of the box. Yeah. So these are brand new for us. They may be brand new in general. Here, let me have it. Because I just washed my hands. These are footballs. Look at how cute these are. Can you see them? I'm obviously in the bead room and I'm right in a place that has like this faucet. I think that's what it's called. And it throws a shadow. But anyway, silicone footballs. So cute. Brand new. I don't know that you'll literally see them anywhere else. My Pretty Posh Princess may be the very first US-based company to have the next things that I'm going to show you. Christian, can you come and just set it up like this and just open it for me so I can get a handful out? So these are the terrazzos that I got in every color. Want me to do the other ones? Yes, please. So these are the pink. So we carry them in white. I'm trying to get a better lighting here. Here's pink terrazzo. It's still not the best lighting. But I'm going to photograph them and get them on the website and it'll be a much better light. We've got them in pink. We've got them in aqua. So pretty. And again, these, as far as I know, are new release in the United States, My Pretty Posh Princess only, as of right now. So I'm not sure you're going to find these anywhere else, at least for a couple more weeks. There it is in gray and in a cream. Super pretty. Right now, these are only available in 15 millimeter in the colors. So we carry the white in 19, 15, and 12. The colors we have in 15. Restock. There's 100, 200, something like that of the wood clips. 100 of the 35 millimeter wood clips. The restock on the 12 and the 12. Oh, Amber just says there's another supplier who has these, but curious on the price. I haven't done the prices yet. So I probably know who the other place is, but these are still super new. Like these just released, so they're super, super new. The restock on the bows, the prices will be up on the website when I get everything loaded. And then another 1,000 of these. Look at these new hot pink crowns. So, so cute. And then my favorite thing, I'm going to try to open it here because Christian left. I got it. Okay. I got it, honey. So I'm super excited. Right now I only have them in 15, but they're making 19 and 12. These are cow print. They're so cute. So I've been wanting cow print silicone forever. Cow print is extremely popular in acrylic. It's going to be extremely popular in silicone. So if you've been needing cow print, this is our first 1,000 that we've got. And Again, there will be more. We will have the cow print in the 12 and the 19 as well. So someone says, I did get some of the cow print. Oh, some of the cow print in acrylic. Yes. No, these are brand new today. These just got delivered like 10 minutes ago. So we haven't had them. So all of this stuff just came today. I was actually working on bins. So I just put all of these empty bins. I just put out because I'm organizing and getting ready for the huge restock, and we're buffing up on teethers. So we're going to be rearranging everything, and all of this understock area here will be for the overstock on teethers. Because at my last count, I think there's close to maybe 5,000 teethers on the way. 5,000, not 50, not 500, 5,000, 5,000 teethers on the way. So that's a lot. That's a lot of teethers. So I was just super excited. I had to hop on live quick, show you this restock on some of these beads that we've always carried, show you some of these new items. And of course, I'm so excited about the cow ones. We will have cow in all the sizes soon. I'm going to pop over quickly and show you. See here, I was putting these bins up too. I'm going to show you quickly. And again, the lighting in this part of the bead room is not the best. See, I just started. I didn't even take the tags off. We released the jelly the other day. They have been extremely popular. They are so pretty. Look at these corals. They're a little bit more pink than this light is kind of showing. But these jellies are so gorgeous. You guys are loving them. They're available in 50 count bulks. These are acrylics. They're not silicone. But I did want to show you guys. I had meant to get on live the other day when I posted it, and I just had so much work. It did not happen. I actually had a huge pickup today, the post office for packages that went out, and I had so many still to do that my husband had to leave our other store and come home the rest of the packages because I wanted to make sure that they went out. So lots of packages. Look at these. These are so pretty. These are electric blue in the jelly. And as far as I can remember, we have at least 5 or 6 brand new acrylic lines coming too soon. And here's those neon jelly rhinestones, which as you can see, the drawers, I'm gonna have to refill them. I've already refilled some of them multiple times today, but you guys love them, as do I. They're so pretty. Okay, well, that's all that I had to show you for right now. I was just so very, very excited about this new silicone shipment that just came in. This is a rather small one. We have huge ones coming, but watch the website. I will obviously post to our Instagram when the things are up and they are ready for purchase. So they will be on there shortly. I need to go photograph and make these listings. So thank you for watching. And as always, I appreciate each and every single one of you and your business. Have a fantastic day, guys.